Hi, I'm Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. Today, I'd love to show you a beautiful revision result that I'm super proud of on a 65-year-old woman. Let's check it out. She had a lifestyle lift, which is a kind of a fast, lower quality neck and face procedure approximately 5 years early. And the results were quite a disappointment to her, and I was sad to see it myself. In particular, the neck had a lot of contour, irregularities, lumpiness, folds. It was obviously not a good result. More than that, though, she didn't get improvement in the key areas, in the jowling, the nasolabial folds, and the cheeks. So we had to start from scratch, and as you might guess, it's a lot harder to do corrective work rather than a primary case. But at this point in my career, doing so many of these traceless face and neck lift procedures, a lot of patients seek me out for help. And it was a pleasure to be able to help her. I feel like I made a really big difference. And here was my approach. I used my traceless face and neck lift approach to redistribute the tissue of her neck, starting in the neck here, which was difficult because there was very little fat left and there was a lot of skin stuck down to the underlying muscle. There were folds that were going to be very difficult to get rid of. I did additional excision underneath the chin, lifted, redistributed all of that, redistributed the muscles and the little bit of fat that was there. Although it's not quite a perfect result, it is a radical improvement from what she started with. On the other areas where she just didn't get enough result, you can see a mind-blowing improvement. So check out her marionette lines and how radically improved they are. The folds around her mouth, the heavy nasolabial folds. We added to the traceless face and neck lift lower blepharoplasty, which means lower eyelid surgery, as well as fractional carbon dioxide laser. And they also were breathtakingly impactful on her results. The bags under her eyes are gone. All the folds around her eyes are gone. All the wrinkles on her brow are gone. She looks at least 10, perhaps 15 years younger, and I know she feels even better than that. This type of case is challenging, and it's something that I love to do. This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles, discussing a difficult revision case for pan-facial rejuvenation using my signature traceless facelift technique.